Reefy? Is that really you? What are you wearing? I honestly wasn't expecting to see you dressed like this. It came in a mystery box. I just wanted to try it.
Wait. I don't even remember ordering this. Yeah. This is definitely mine. Your mystery fashion challenge begins now? So, this is the mystery fashion challenge box. I completely forgot about this. Okay, this is definitely not what I expected. So, what should I do now? I guess I should try them on once.
Wait. I actually look pretty good, but something is missing. I don't know what it is. I think I should watch some tutorials online about this. First, start with a light layer of foundation. Just blend it evenly across your face. Next, add a little blush to your cheeks. Start lightly and build it up slowly. For the hair, keep it simple. Brush it out and shape the front pieces around your face. And that's all there is to it.
So, from what I understood from the tutorial, what I need now is makeup.
Foundation, blush, lipstick. But I don't have any of those. Wait, I have an idea.
Wait, my sister probably has some in her room. I can borrow them for a while.
Okay, this should work. And this one.
I think these should be enough. All right, everything's ready. Now it's time for the makeup.
Wait. Is that actually me?
I actually look pretty good.
Where's my foundation? And my lipstick? I swear I left them here. Wait. Riffy? Reefy, have you seen my makeup? Reefy? Is that really you? What are you wearing? I honestly wasn't expecting to see you dressed like this. I can explain. It came in a mystery box. I just wanted to try it.
I was gonna put everything back.
Wait, you did all this yourself? Yeah. Okay. I have to admit, you actually did pretty well. You're not mad? No. But you're definitely not done yet. What do you mean? Come with me. What are you planning? I'm gonna fix this. What was wrong with it? Nothing. But if you're gonna try something new, you might as well do it properly.
Let's see what we have here. Oh, this one looks pretty. I think this would look really good on you.
This is, really nice. You look really beautiful in this. But we still have a few things left to do.
Perfect. It really suits you. Wow. I don't even look like the same person.
This hair and makeup look amazing. It suits you perfectly. You look stunning. Come on. Come on. Where? Let's show Mom. No, absolutely not. Why? Because I'm embarrassed. She won't care. You don't know that. I know, Mom. Mom, see if you can recognize who this is.
Who is this?
Mom, it's me.
I honestly didn't recognize you.
I just ordered a mystery box. There was an outfit inside, so I wanted to try it.
And your sister decided to give you a complete makeover?
He actually enjoyed it. Maybe. A little.
Well, there's nothing wrong with trying something new. And honestly, you actually look very nice. You almost look like my daughter.
Almost? When I ordered that mystery box, I thought I was just getting a random outfit. I never expected it to turn into all of this. Maybe. Trying something different isn't always as scary as we think. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to support me, please consider subscribing to the channel. And let me know in the comments if you've ever had a story like this or a similar experience. Thank you so much for watching.